Hi, I'm Leon with Audio Advice, and we just got in a brand new turntable from Cambridge Audio, the Alva TT. We got out of the box and we haven't listened to it yet. We're just kind of taking a quick look at it. We'll have a review later on down the road on it, a full review. But first, just a few of its features. The big deal about this guy is this turntable has Bluetooth, so you don't have to place it near your system. That could be an advantage for some people where they've got big speakers near a turntable. It could reduce acoustic feedback, but we're going to be really curious to see how the Bluetooth works out. I actually can think of a spot in my house I'd like to have this, where I can just have the turntable sitting out, systems in another room, it could talk to it. That'd be kind of cool. But it's a direct drive table, and it has a very massive platter that's made out of this dead and very inert material they've come up with. Another thing I kind of like is the way they've indented the platter here for the record label. We always like a good bearing on a turntable, and this one has one. It's making no noise, no friction, can't hear anything, spins for a long time. Tone arm appears to be a Rega tone arm. We sell Rega turntables, so we know this is a Rega tone arm, which is a great arm. And it comes with Cambridge Audio's moving coil cartridge. The turntable has the phono stage built in, so if we spin it around to the back, we've got output jacks. This will go over to like a CD or auxiliary input on your system. And there's a button to set up the Bluetooth. So we'll be very curious to see how this sounds, which we'll let you guys know in a later review. So if you like this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, because then you'll get a notification when we do the full review of this table. Thanks and have a great day.